All right, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Word document. So when we type up our essay, this is where you should be typing your essay and then saving it to your computer or OneDrive and making sure that you have something to hand in to our class when we have to hand it in through Schoology. A lot of us know how to do this, so if you know how to do this, then you're fine. If you're not totally sure, if you're worried that you're going to type something in and you're not going to save it to the right place, please watch this video. And if you have no idea what you're doing, watch this video, pause it, do the step that I just said, and then play it, and then follow along to the next step, okay? All right, first thing you want to do, you have Schoology up more than likely. You're going to start a new tab right here. Do not open Word on your computer. Please go to office.com. If you go to office.com, you should see that you are logged in. If you can see, that's my name right there. If you are not logged in, you should have an area that says sign in. Please sign in. It's just your school email. On the side here, you're going to go to Word, Microsoft Word. You're going to click that, and then you're going to new blank document. Click that and open it. Okay? Now, the important part is not the typing. I believe you guys know how to type an essay. The important part is making sure you are saving it in the correct location. So when you click document 1, it's going to be right here. It says saved. I want you to click it down, and then I want you to rename it. Okay? So I want you to say, let's say DBQ number 2 document. Okay? It says .docx right here. That's great. Where it says here, call Catherine, it's in documents. That's fine as long as you remember that it's in documents. Personally, I never remember where I put stuff, so I like to put it on my desktop. So if you click that, it's going to open up all of these options for you. I like to click desktop. And then once I click desktop, I'm just going to save it in general. I'm not picking another folder. You guys can see I have a bunch of folders here for school stuff. I'm just going to click move here. Sorry, it should say move here down at the bottom. All right, now if I double check again, just to make sure it looks good, BQ number 2, call Catherine, it's in desktop, the status is saved. So now every time I type something, blah, 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 you can see how it says saving. That should be all set. That way, when it is time to hand it in Schoology, you're able to submit it and you can get the item off of your desktop. If you don't change it to desktop and you keep it in documents, that's fine as long as you know where it is. That's it.